The horse and buggy, one of the most practical and convenient modes of transportation that man had ever harnessed. The engine was, for the most part, easy enough to care for, and fuel was in abundance. The passenger section of the vehicle wasn't the most comfortable, but it sufficed. It seems one of the major problems, at least for pedestrians, was the pollution that the engine left behind. But man really wanted to be able to travel faster and further than horses were able to carry him. With this idea in mind, an era was ushered into the 20th century. The time of the automobile had come. Men like Spicer, Duryea, and Ford became pioneers of what today has become one of the most technologically advanced fields in the world. These men, their ideas, and their machines paved the way for the future of the vehicular industry. The Dana Corporation presents the Parish Division, meeting the challenges of tomorrow. It all began in 1905, when Neff Parish formed the Parish Pressed Steel Company. This company would be the first to produce heat-treated alloy steel frames. These frames would be used on cars like the Stevens Duryea, the Pierce Arrow, and the White Steamer. In 1919, Charles Dana bought the Parish Frame Division for the Spicer Manufacturing Corporation, which would later become the Dana Corporation. Since that point in time, the Parish Division would continue to flourish and expand, along with its affiliates, Hayes Dana in Canada and Citivan in Venezuela. As the years passed, the Parish Division became one of the main suppliers of vehicular frames and their components to General Motors and Ford. Heat-treated heavy truck side rails are supplied to General Motors, PACCAR, Mack, Navistar, and Volvo White. Parish is also an approved provisional partner with the Saturn Corporation and supplies a chassis system to Mack, which is available through regional assembly facilities. But many changes have occurred since 1905, when those first frames and side rails were built. When the changes took place, Parish was right there, changing and adapting to continue to provide a superior product. In today's world of computers, technology moves society at a rapid rate. Without the assistance of this high technology, Parish could not keep producing a quality product with the superiority that clients demand. Take, for example, the CAD/CAM system. CAD/CAM stands for Computer-Aided Design, Computer-Aided Manufacturing. This system of high-tech equipment enables an engineer to design an entire product within the computer. This eliminates the old method of drafting on paper. This process aids the operator in not only designing, but making instantaneous changes and evaluating their outcome by finite element analysis. Currently, this system is linked to a new 6-axis CNC boring milling machine. In the future, this CAD/CAM system will be directly linked with our customers' computers. By setting up this network, it will make possible the direct access of information from the customer's main computer. Other high-tech processes utilize partial-scale plastic models for static and dynamic evaluation of the design. A scale model of a frame is rigged with sensors for dynamic analysis. When an impulse is introduced on the frame, a computer readout shows how the frame is reacting. This helps in determining where bending and stress points may occur. Finding helpful data at this stage of the development saves thousands of dollars. Once the prototype is built, it must be tested to see how it will survive under normal road conditions. Everything from component parts to assembled frames are put through road simulation tests. After all the preliminary designing and testing is completed, it is time for the production to begin. Side rail steel is cut and formed within specific tolerances for the customer's desired shape and size.
The bars are heat treated and then water cooled.
With the aid of a computer, the Brinell test is performed on every bar to assure the bar has the proper hardness and maximum yield strength to design specifications. It does this by sensing each bar at a specific point. If the bar does not have the desired hardness, the operator is alerted.
Parish also has the capability to bar code each side rail before shipment to the customer.
Parish continues to improve its assembly of vehicular frames. This material handling press line is completely automated by robots. These material handling robots are programmed by people to do their jobs. The accuracy and efficiency of these robots help to keep Parish producing a superior product that is cost efficient. But not everything is automated. People are one of the most important factors to the survival and success of the corporation. In these departments, robots and people work together as a team.
Without the people, the robots couldn't do their job. With the aid of the robots, the people can accomplish more in a faster time frame.
But it doesn't end there. Parish continues to forge new frontiers. Instead of the time-consuming programming that it takes for today's robots to weld a part, this vision welder uses a laser to sense where the weld should be placed. Using this type of welder means different jobs can be run without programming the robot for each job. Quality assurance plays a vital role at Parish in its continuing effort to maintain its performance level. Here is but one of the areas where people are the most important factor in the manufacturing process. Without their expertise, a top-rate product could not be produced. For example, circle grid analysis is used to check elongation of the materials in the forming operations. This assembly line uses gantry robots to move the frame from one station to another. At the inspection stage, up to 14 cameras and lasers are used in conjunction with a computer to inspect the frame for correct alignment of perforated holes in the frame. This 400-inch coordinate measuring machine is used to measure 3 planes of a product. It is assisted by a computer that allows it to measure up to 250 checkpoints. Accurate statistical process quality control charts must be kept, which are then plotted to assure the product and process are within the allotted specifications. The success of Dana's Quality Assurance Program was exemplified in having been awarded Ford's Q1 and General Motors Spear 1 Quality Awards. The people of the Parish Division are the ones who make the difference. But as in every profession, you have to keep up to date on new procedures, new technology, the needs of your people, and most importantly, the needs of your customers. Parish people are meeting these new challenges in the form of just-in-time task forces and a productivity gain sharing plan.
A plan which provides incentive to teams of volunteers working to improve the competitive position of Parish. Each person of Parish is a trained and skilled professional as a result of educational development programs.
Classes designed for Dana people are held in-house in the new training center in Reading, at Dana University in Toledo, Ohio, at Dana's Center of Technology and Education in Ottawa Lake, Michigan, or at other local educational institutions. Communicating to people is paramount to Dana's success. The Dana Reading Communicator, the Dana Communicators newsletter, and the letter from the chairman of the board are providing information about the corporation and other matters of interest. The entire plant is fitted with a closed-circuit color television system that continuously displays information that is of importance to the people. Plant-wide meetings are held a minimum of twice a year to inform the people of the current and future state of affairs. All of these factors, high technology, superior quality, qualified people, and excellent communications keep the Dana Corporation a global leader in the manufacturing and marketing of components and services for the vehicular and industrial markets. With over 27,000 people in 27 countries and sales approaching $4 billion, the Dana Corporation is definitely a step ahead of the competition.
In today's market, when you're competing globally, you can't be just good. You have to be the best. You must be cost-effective and still provide a quality product. This is what the Parish Division is accomplishing with Dana Style. It's a commitment to quality and a job well done. It's people meeting the challenges of tomorrow.